If you are wondering, why is my Monese transfer delayed? You are not alone. In this video, we will walk you through the most common reasons and what you can do to fix it. Let's begin. Let's talk about timing. Not all transfers are instant. Depending on the type of transfer, it can take like a few seconds, or instant transfer, a few hours, or even 1 to 3 business days. If your transfer was made on a weekend or holiday, it might not process until the next working day. Or even if money sends the money quickly, the receiving bank might delay it because bank sometimes holds a transfer for internal processing, security checks, so the delay might not actually be on Monese's side. The payment wasn't made correctly. When you are sending money from an EEA country, always make sure it's a SEPA payment, as you currently can't send a SWIFT payment directly to your Monese account because SWIFT is an international payment network in a type of international transfer. So if you're transferring money from a bank outside of the EEA, you'll need to use different account details because you need to add your Monese ID as a payment reference. Otherwise, Monese will have trouble finding your transfer. Now, it could be that the wrong account details were used. You can find your account details directly in the app, right under the balance. You can find your account details directly in the app, right under the balance. If you believe you've entered the wrong account details, get in touch with the support team through your Monese app, and they will try to help you locate your transfer. And last but not the least, they do not support the currency. As of the moment, Monese can only accept transfers in GBP, Euro, and RON. So if you accidentally send a payment in another currency to your Monese account, it'll automatically bounce back to the sender's account. Unfortunately, this could take a couple of weeks, so Monese recommend contacting the sending bank and asking them to recall that transfer to help speed this up. And basically, that's it for today's video. If this helped you understand your delayed transfer, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.